Breaking news from Taiwan. A shocking fight broke out on a train this Monday. Witnesses say a young woman refused to give up her seat to an elderly passenger. The tension quickly escalated. The older woman lashed out first, swinging her bag at the young passenger. But what happened next left everyone stunned. The young woman retaliated violently, kicking the elderly woman across the train carriage. She landed hard in an empty seat. Passengers froze in shock. Authorities say they are now reviewing the disturbing footage. What do you think? Was this self-defense or pure disrespect?